This is the biggest cutting board I have ever made. And I almost ruined it. So a friend of mine, let me give her a name. Her name starts with an S. She has red hair. Supernova. So Supernova wanted a cutting board. She asked me, how big do I make cutting boards? And I basically said, as big as you want. The milling process was very simple. Jointer, planer, sawdust, done. When I got to the table saw portion, I realized the blade started to pinch with every single cut, which was causing burning, it was binding, it was stopping the blade, which was super frustrating. I even had to take a moment and pause. So I decided to do a couple of cleanup passes at the end just to get rid of all the burn marks. I said, hey, here's a couple layout options. Which one do you prefer? Which one do you think she picked? So then I started my glue up based on her decision. The glue ups are really easy. Basically just glue everything up, put some cauls, take it apart, glue up the other panel. Pretty standard stuff. Didn't really fight me on anything. In this case, my glue up had to be done with two separate panels because if not, it wouldn't fit through my planer. Now, I don't know if this is the best method, but it's the only thing I can reasonably think of to keep it controlled. When it came to cross-cutting this ginormous cutting board, there was no good method. I tried the cross-cut sled, I tried reversing my miter gauge, but everything seemed a little off and not safe. So I did the best thing I can do, which is just use my miter gauge the way it's intended and hold on for dear life. At this point, I didn't really know how to get it to its final width. So I ran it through my table saw, using the fence as a reference. But it pinched my blade, forcing it to stop. Which was the scariest thing so far. After that, it was 100% done. All the frustration and anxiety was over. Tell me what you think. Would you have done anything differently? Then I started the finishing process, which in my case, it was too big for my container that I normally use for my cutting boards. So I basically just dunked it in there and left it. I just want to say thank you. Supernova, this was super fun. And you guys, thanks for being here. I'll see you on the next one.